Have you ever met those people who come across as extremely hateful for no purpose whatsoever? Imagine, you are so deep in your own shit, doing you, and people still feel the need to have problems with that. It sounds absurd, right? Enter the world of Sigma males, a group that many people simply do not understand and for some reason unfairly judge. I now present 9 totally absurd reasons why lots of people hate them or try to convince you that they do. Sit down. It sounds like a story out of your worst nightmare. 1. They're too unpredictable. Picture a chess match in which your opponent plays moves you thought impossible. That's a Sigma male for you. For those who thrive on the consistent and predictable, their randomness can be unsettling. Whereas some may think of this as thrilling, while others truly, believe it or not, revolting. The world seems to need everyone to play by the same tune, and a Sigma male's offbeat throws their whole game out of match. 2. Titles don't impress them. One time, did you meet a person who treats the CEO and janitor with equal respect? That is exactly what Sigma males do, and it pisses some people off. Many times, it is misinterpreted that being a common man and not in awe of titles amounts to an act of insult. But what else Sigma males do is not caring for the titles. They care about people. 3. Brutal honesty. Everyone says they want the truth. But do you really? Sigma males are direct and can say things that might upset or bother others. Think of someone in a room full of people pretending the elephant isn't there. Others find it refreshing. But most people like what is comfortable to them, so the honesty seems more of a personal assault. 4. Logic over emotions. Instead of throwing you a shoulder to cry on as most would, Sigma males will likely offer advice and help in any possible practical solution. We saw them in work who tend to be fact over heart, and this can come across as ice. But in their universe, a solution to the issue is far more needed than some comfort for temporary surcease. Many times this is misinterpreted as sensitivity. 5. Questioning everything. Instead of taking things at face value, why not take it a step further? They tend to be the type of characters that ask a lot of questions and challenge modern views, the reason why people usually feel offended around Sigma males. We often confuse their relentless search for the truth with cynicism, when in fact it is a pursuit of authenticity. 6. Defying norms. Social Sigma males do things in their own individual way, and often this implies ignoring social norms. This has been welcome news to some and a slap in the face of those who would like things returned exactly as they were. Their chutzpah perhaps comes across as fundamentally rebellious or arrogant. 7. Selective friendships. A side note. Being choosy about who you let in your circle is technically not a crime, but can be and usually appears as snobbish. Sigma men, from our understanding, are those who value power and few connections over the feather that fly the blanket of human relations. For them, it always comes down to quality versus quantity. So when you are even more selective with your words than most writers, myself included, they tend to feel slighted and ignored as a result. 8. Questioning authority, the type that needs to know why they are being commanded something in order for them to comply. Sigma males frequently butt heads with authority figures who expected blind compliance from them. They may come off as hard-headed because of their verification and rationale speculation-based demands, but deep down they truly abide by the order. 9. Keeping to themselves. And then there are some who simply cannot handle the absence of constant blabbering by Sigma males. Their fondness for quiet and deep talk might come across as being mysterious or standoffish. In their viewpoints, one factor is observed that each word has no sense until someone performs anything. So there it is, 9 reasons why Sigma males can be misunderstood and reviled. Being odd to be yourself. It is an unusual world where this turns some reactions so bizarre. So the next time you meet a Sigma male, know that sometimes the most powerful presence makes us uncomfortable, but it is his own.